Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make another Mexican dish. This one is a last minute idea for Father's Day. I'm going to be showing you how to make Habanero Chilaquiles. They are perfect for breakfast. I really recommend them. The preparation time and the cooking time combined is going to be about 20 minutes. I hope you like them. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. So first we're going to cut the tortillas into chips. You can make them any size that you want. I'm cutting them in half and then each half in thirds. Now we're going to fry them or bake them. I'm going to fry them in the air fryer at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you prefer, you can bake them in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they are nice and golden brown. Or you can also fry them in plenty of vegetable oil. Now to make the sauce, we're going to cut the tomatoes in half lengthwise and we're going to remove the stems from the habanero peppers. And the amount of tomatoes and peppers depends on you. Feel free to use less or more. Remember that habanero peppers are really spicy, so be careful. Now we're going to slice the onion in about 1/2 inch slices. I'm going to use a little bit of that for the sauce, and then I'm going to use the rest of the slices for garnish. Now in a skillet on medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil, and there we're going to cook the tomatoes together with the peppers and a little bit of onion and a garlic clove. We will cook this on high heat for about 5 to 8 minutes or until all the ingredients are softened. The garlic will soften in about 2 minutes, so as soon as it softens, make sure to remove it from the skillet so it won't burn. And you will be stirring these ingredients frequently, and you can also cover them with a lid to speed up the cooking process. And once all the ingredients are done, now place them in a blender. And also add in the garlic clove, season this with salt. Also season with black pepper to taste. We will also add in a little bit of cilantro and about 1 cup of water. We're going to blend this on high until you get a soft sauce. And once the sauce is ready, taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed. Now we're going to pour the sauce into a saucepan and we're going to bring it to a boil. And if you think the sauce is too thick, feel free to add more water to thin it out. Cover this with a lid so it will boil faster. Now over here, I'm going to stir fry the leftover onion for about 2 minutes, just to soften it a little bit. And I only season it with salt and pepper. Once the onion is ready, set it aside. And this is how the tortilla chips look like after 10 minutes in the air fryer. They are nice and golden brown and crisp on all sides, so they are ready now. And over here I have the sauce. As you can see, it's boiling, so it's also ready. Now we're going to place the tortilla chips in a skillet on medium-high heat, and then we're going to pour some of the sauce all over the tortilla chips. Feel free to add as much of the sauce as you want to. Then we're going to top this with the shredded cheese. Then cover this with a lid and cook until the cheese is melted. And it will take about 1 minute or 2. And after the cheese is melted, now you can serve it. I'm going to add a little bit of the sauce on my plate, then top it with the chilaquiles. Garnish with the onion and then drizzle with Mexican cream, sprinkle with a little bit of fresh cilantro, and that's about it. Now you can serve them, and you can serve them with refried beans or a sunny side up egg, and that's it. These are amazing. Enjoy! To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, I'm everywhere. So all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!